Yo, today was another green day trading SPY. I had 3 trades total for the day. 2 of them were green, 1 of them was red. I'll go over that red trade later in the video. So this right here was my first trade of the day, this bullish 5-minute candle. It didn't wick my key level. The body was through the key level. That's breaking one of my rules. The wick has to be through the key level. Right here off of our second trade, the wick went through the key level. I did take an L on this trade. It went straight down, hit my stop loss. I got stopped out. The reason I entered is because I had this bullish candle right before it. So in my head, I was thinking maybe my key level is wrong. So I moved it down here to pre-market wicks, this pre-market bullish wick. And I said to myself, this is the key level now. I was just explaining to myself why I took a bad trade. There's no reasoning behind that. I took the L, I own up to it, and that's pretty much it. It didn't work because the wick didn't go through a key level. Besides that, everything else added up underneath all the EMA lines at low of day, but we weren't wicking a key level, so it didn't work out. Damn, that's unfortunate. We did enter. It's pretty bad. We are testing a new zone that we did create. So our original key level is 446.70. The body is going through that on this, and we're not really wicking a key level. So right now we're testing a couple macro levels that formed from yesterday. Okay. Yeah, we looking bearish, boys.
Order canceled.
Order canceled. There we go.
Order filled.
Took an L on that trade. 4-point L. We're chilling. Next trade's gonna be a banger. We're just gonna wait. Our next trade that we banked on was right here, and I did enter a way bigger position size right here off of this bullish candle, off of this 446.20 level. Because of the L I took prior, I got back my loss and a little more, and I did alert on the Discord that this was the exact level that people were supposed to take longs at. It's one of the best levels of the day besides this 445.50 level. I took this trade because it was at low of day. It was underneath all the EMA lines and the VWAP. We stick to our strategy, right? We enter off of this bullish close. Our stop loss is at the bottom. Now, our take profit is the exact length. So our take profit should be exactly at 446.57, right? Another thing I did on this trade is I left a runner. So what does that mean? Right now, I'm testing out how to maximize my gains. I took my first 25 contracts out once we hit that level, and then I let another 5 ride. I was planning to leave it ride all the way until the EMA 200 line, because it's an 80% chance that it will hit the EMA 200 line every single day. That would have been a big win for me if I let those extra 5 just run all the way there. But I let it run to the 20 EMA. I'm still testing it out. I'll let you guys know when I'm done back testing, leaving a runner past your take profit when you're at low of day or at high of day. I did enter longs off of this 5-minute bullish wick right here. I entered very heavy, so my previous loss will get neglected by a lot, okay? Listen, in this market, you have to adapt. You have to understand when to trade and when not to trade. Right now, I understand probably should not trade if this trade goes to an L, because that means the market is not very good right now. It keeps stopping people out. Pump it. Come on. Breakthrough.
Target filled.
Target filled with 4-point take profit. Let's go. Final TP is up here towards the 20 EMA. Let's go. Let's hit the final take profit and bank, okay? Let's go. Let's hear that TP. 5-point TP. And
target filled.
Target filled. There we go. So today we didn't get exact high of day reversal because we didn't get any nice confirmations. If we had a nice wick off this red candle, I would have gotten into shorts, but we didn't. My last trade of the day was right here off of this bullish candle, off of this key level right here. An hour or 2 has passed since we retested this level, so I was pretty confident to enter my position. So I entered in right here at this red candle close. I took my box, I drew it, and I took my profits exactly at the top right here. Again, underneath all the EMA lines, key level, bullish candle, took the trade, banked on it. I'm in longs off of that bullish 5-minute close. Take profit is 2 points. Stop loss is 2 points. That was quick.
Target filled.
There we go. That was quick. Easy. But after that, man, I didn't really see any trades. There was nothing worth taking. So I was happy with my 2 green trades and 1 red on the day. Remember, taking red trades is normal. There's no 100% win rate. There's no 100% guaranteed strategy. You have to just stick to your plan and work through it. And it's all psychology. I did get bummed out. I got a red. Yeah, I did get bummed out. I got a red trade right here for my first trade of the day. But I got a comeback with 2 other trades. That's just how it is. You can't get a green trade every single time. You can't get a green day every single time. Things get in the way, stuff happens. And listen, if you set really high expectations to where you want to be green every single day, or every single trade is green, you're going to be disappointed, because that's not reality, okay? To master trading, you have to master your losses. You have to be able to control your losses and control your wins. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recap, and I hope you learned something new today. Join the Discord, links in the description. It's free as of now, but in the future it will become paid. But if you're already in the Discord now, you secure a spot for a big discount. It will be less than $1 a day with that big discount. Go ahead and join up. Trade with me live every single morning. We had over 30 people green today in the community. It was insane. Now our key levels on the day are, starting from the top right here, 441.60, 441.03, 450.36, 449.91. This is a major resistance point. This is a gap we haven't filled yet from a couple days ago right here. We've never retested this level, so it is a very strong level. That's 449.23. The next level underneath that is 448.77, 448.45, 448, 447.65, 446.71, 446.20. That was our bank zone today. We absolutely killed it on that level, and this is previous closing price. Our micro level that I did mention on the Discord is now our PCP, which is 445.96. Our next level is 445.52. that is a previous gap that we filled today, so that becomes a nice key level. The level underneath that is 445.21, 444.55, 444, and 443.22. That's a big bracket I just gave you guys. That should give you a nice idea on what to do tomorrow while you're trading. And on Discord, I do give a nice price ladder that looks just like this. I list all my key levels for the day on the Discord, and I update them daily. And remember, stay green, stay confident, and stay patient.